Every morning, when I listen to something good, see something good, and think something good, my chances of having a great day increase. When each of my days starts becoming good, my life becomes better. From today, I welcome this thought with all my heart. Today is the first day of my new life. I truly believe that today will be one of the best days of my life. I am very happy today because I am confident something special will happen, something that has never happened before. Today, I will learn something new, see something new, hear something new, think something new, and become someone new. I am feeling very positive today. Whatever mistakes I made in the past or whatever wrong happened to me, I forgive myself and others completely. My focus is not on the past but on the present and the future. Have planned my day well, and I am ready to achieve my goals. My mind is calm, and my focus is clear. My thoughts are very positive. I believe that whatever happens in my life happens for a good reason. See challenges in life not as problems but as opportunities, opportunities to grow, opportunities to understand myself better, opportunities to become stronger. I am fully ready to face any challenges that come my way today. I love my life. My body is healthy, and my mind is sharp and ready to make decisions in any situation. I feel joyful, and I always stay happy and cheerful. This life is like a game, and I am a strong player in this game. Winning or losing does not matter to me. My only goal is to become better and more capable. I believe in myself and my abilities. I know that anything is possible. Whatever I dream of, I can achieve it. Change yourself with time or learn to change time. Don't blame your problems, learn to move forward in every situation. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more videos to help you learn English. See you next time.